Save big on Harfington home and lifestyle products. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be telling you about Harfington products. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now before I begin, there is a link in the description below if you want to go ahead and check it out. Make sure to check it out and it'll take you to the website. Along with the link, you'll also find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply on your checkout page and save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. So here you can see I have a bunch of different products and different categories actually. And here you will see you have hardware, you have piping and tubing, hose fitting, we got power, transmission, fitting, automobile, DIY, hand tools, all those stuff, right? And here you can go ahead and sort your products out, and here you can click on all categories to view all the categories. And since we're taking a look at home and lifestyle products, we're mostly going to be looking at the piping, tubing, and hosing, and some electrical and some household stuff, right? Maybe some hinges, but we can just simply go ahead and click on whatever, whatever product you want, and then you can just simply go ahead and select the product that you like, right? So let's say that we want a copper clamp, or actually a fastener, right? Click on the fastener cap and it'll open up a bunch of different products. So you can just simply click over here and view the product, right? And also another thing, if you try to add it, for some reason this add to cart button does not work. So you got to open up the product manually and then select the fitting, the size, and how much you want, and then just simply hit the add to cart button. Once you've done that, it'll be added to your cart, and it's as simple as that. So you can do this with other products as well. It's pretty simple. And then you can just simply hit the checkout button. All right, I think I already have an account. Let me try to sign in. And once you've done that, we can now actually go ahead and check out the checkout page. And here is your cart. Here you can add your discount code, so which you can find in the description below. Just apply it, save a bunch of money, and you're good to go. And it's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care and goodbye.